Are you a beginner looking to master plasma cutting? Want clean, precise cuts without spending thousands? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 3 of the most powerful and beginner-approved plasma cutters available right now in the US market. Simple to use, built to perform, and perfect for those starting out. Let's dive in. First up, the YesWelder Cut 65DS. This machine is a beast, but beginner-friendly. With up to 65 amps of cutting power, it slices cleanly through metal as thick as 5/8 of an inch, no problem. Thanks to non-touch pilot arc technology, you don't even have to prep the surface. Rusty? Painted? No worries, it cuts straight through. It also supports both 110 and 220 volts, so whether you're working in a home garage or on-site, you're good to go. The digital control panel, 2T/4T modes, and IGBT inverter tech make operations super smooth and efficient. Pros: powerful cutting for thick metals. Dual voltage compatibility for flexibility. Affordable and beginner-friendly. Cons: some users feel the build quality is a bit light. A slight learning curve for adjusting settings. Can produce dross that needs cleaning on thicker cuts. Next up, the ARCCAPTAIN iControl Cut 55 Pro. Smart, sleek, and super easy to use. With up to 55 amps of cutting power, it's made for clean, detailed work on materials up to 3/4 inch thick. It's also one of the only cutters in this category that features Bluetooth control, meaning, yes, you can adjust settings right from your phone. Setup takes under a minute. Comes with a shoulder strap for easy carry. And features like intelligent post-flow cooling, non-touch pilot arc, and LED digital display make it one of the smartest cutters available for entry-level users. Pros: Bluetooth control for easy adjustments. Portable with shoulder strap. Intelligent cooling extends consumable life. Cons: best for materials up to 3/4 inch thickness. Operation can be a bit noisy. Slightly higher price point. And finally, the Bestarc Cut 55P. It might be last, but it's definitely not least. This machine brings precision and visibility to a whole new level. With a large digital display, you can monitor air pressure, voltage, and current in real time, helping you cut with confidence. Like the others, it uses non-touch pilot arc for safer, cleaner cuts, and runs on dual voltage for flexible use. At 220 volts, it delivers clean cuts up to 5/8 of an inch, while at 110 volts, it can handle thinner materials with ease. It also features 2T/4T modes and post-flow cooling, which helps extend the life of your consumables, saving you money in the long run. Pros: large digital display for real-time monitoring. Dual voltage and precise cutting. Post-flow cooling extends consumable life. Cons: a bit loud during operation. Minimal instructions may confuse some beginners. Occasional error codes in cold weather reported. So, which one's right for you? If you want maximum power and simplicity, go for the YesWelder Cut 65DS. If you love smart tech and portable design, choose the ARCCAPTAIN iControl Cut 55 Pro. If you want full visibility and precise control, Bestarc Cut 55P is your match. No matter which you choose, all 3 are tested, trusted, and designed with beginners in mind. Start your cutting journey with confidence and cut like a pro from day one. Grab your machine now and let the sparks fly.